Welcome to this second video tutorial. Okay, lastly we talked about these white keys and the black keys, their names. So now we're talking about octave. So octave now simply means, as we all know in mathematics, that octagon is an angle of 8 sides. An octagon is an angle of 8 sides. So which means that octave simply means the arrangement of 8 keys to form one octave. So now, as I have written here, this thing is also the same thing as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You get to get again A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it simply means that from this A, this is the first A, to this A, which is the second A. Then from this A again, which is second A, to this one, which is third A, right? So you see that from here to here, when you count it, there are 8 in numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which gives you one octave. One octave. This is 1, not 10. 1 octave. So from A to A is 1 octave. From another A, from this same A to another A is the second octave. So from this A to this A will be the third octave. So we say that an octave is distance between one key and the next time that same key appears in the keyboard, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, which is 1 octave. When you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'll be using this one so that everyone will be carried along. Or let me start with D, as we all have known that in between these two, for a better or for easier identification of the keys, we all know that in between these two, this is D, right? So let me start with D. We have D, E, F, G. Get back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Let's stop here. So now you see that from this D, which is the first D, to this second one, when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is the first octave. Then from this D to this D again, which is the third, is second octave. Then from this D to this one is the third octave. So now in real keyboard, this is how it is done, or this is how it looks like. From this D to this D is 1 octave. 1 octave. When you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 8, right? Octave. So this is 1 octave, the first octave of this keyboard. From here to here is another octave, the second octave of this keyboard. From here to here is the third octave of this keyboard. This is the third. And from here to here again is another octave, the fourth. Then from this D again to the last D, which is supposed to be here, is the 5th octave. So now I hope you all have understood what I meant by octave.